The availability of beneficial ownership information, that is, the natural person behind a legal entity or arrangement, is now a key requirement of international tax transparency and the fight against tax evasion and other financial crimes. Anonymity enables many illegal activities to take place hidden from law enforcement authorities, such as tax evasion, corruption, money laundering, and financing of terrorism. For example, money laundering can involve complex operations and transactions to make money from illicit sources, such as drug trafficking or tax evasion appear legal. That is why the FATF, and later the Global Forum, have included beneficial ownership requirements in their standards and conducted assessments across jurisdictions on the availability of beneficial ownership information in their systems. Who is an ultimate beneficial owner? The UBO of an entity is the person that ultimately owns or controls, whether directly indirectly owns 25% or more shares, or who holds the right to vote by 25% or more, or the right to appoint dismiss the majority of the establishment's managers or any other means by which he exercises ultimate control over the establishment. If the UBO cannot be identified using the two criteria listed above, then a natural person who holds the position of senior management official in the company may be deemed as the UBO. The companies registered in the UAE are required to create a UBO register that contains the following information on the real beneficiary: full name, nationality, date and place of birth, place of residence, address and passport or ID number. Non-maintenance of register of UBO will attract the following administrative penalties in UAE. For the first time, a written warning. Second time, 50,000 dirhams and a warning for rectification within 30 days. Third time, 100,000 dirhams and suspension of trade license for 12 months. Do you want to know more about AML, UBO advisory? Please visit our website www.rbsauditing.com/services. Or contact us at email rbs@rbsaccounting.com. Or call us +971 4583 9911